Yeah, so today after my bust the day before, I decided to drive to the higher risk area and kind of knew there'd be multiple storms in the area. But went to near Encino, just north of Vaughn, New Mexico. This first storm was just northwest of Vaughn. There's what this radar doesn't show is there was a line of three storms. There were two storms behind the tornado warning storm here to its west, and then shortly after the start of the weekend, I decided to go around to the southwest side of the far west storm. Poor cows. This mesocyclone and tornado warning storm is headed right toward them. Right toward me. I gotta move south here in a second. So yeah, now I'm driving southwest to the far storm to the west, and I pretty much, as you can see in the radar, just tailed it from behind as it was moving east. I was in great position as the rotation developed. I was like already there. I kind of anticipated it would start to ramp up in that spot, and sure enough, it did. And you'll see I actually get a tornado, which was a huge relief. I was feeling kind of frustrated not getting a good tornado, as I've been in great positions to get one if it had dropped. Is that a tornado over there? A tornado. Yeah, so I wasn't not sure if that was the tornado. If that was a tornado, it's kind of hard to tell. It wasn't reported right there that I know of, but I get one here soon. But right here, the rotation is starting to ramp up, and you'll see some pretty big hail here just before the tornado drops. Look at this hailstone. Yeah. Are you? This went tornado warning. Yeah, so you're welcome to trail me if you'd like. So that was a couple passerbys that were concerned about the storm and asked me about it and decided to trail me. It actually set me behind where I was. I would have probably been right up close to this tornado when it dropped, even closer. This tornado was actually anticyclonic. You can see the cyclonic funnel coming out, and then the anticyclonic spin kind of takes over. And generally, they're not that strong. There it is, in front of a rainbow. Beautiful. Beautiful tornado. Hell yeah. Finally. Beautiful. This is what I came out for. Beautiful tornado. Look at that. Oh, it's going back up. It'll come down. Yeah, so really was happy to see that. It really was beautiful. Again, although video is awesome, it just doesn't do justice like it does in person. And it really is a lot of work trying to chase storms and stay safe and get good footage. And the feeling is just awesome once you see a tornado. But anyway, I basically helped the passerbys see the tornado as well, and they're tailing me, and I'm kind of trying to guide them to go south of the storm, but this train was just sitting there blocking and not moving. Did you see that? Right with the rainbow? That was awesome. Yeah, so they, I think, just got impatient and decided just to go through it while it was still tornado warned, and so I was hoping for the best for them. But yeah, I decided to move my way toward it as well, and eventually it moved a little bit to, the road dropped a little bit to the south so I could safely get around the rotation here. Yeah, so the storm starts to weaken, so I continue south east to Vaughn to get some gas. Ran into some other storm chases there. And then a storm just west of the storm I caught the tornado in popped up and was looking very strong. And that's where I'm driving to now. I'm driving back to Encino, New Mexico, where I saw the tornado to watch this developing storm, which quickly started to weaken after I got to it. And then from here, I drove south back to Roswell and watched a couple storms in the distance on the way.